poor man, I talk a billionaire, sucker. Billionaire, when you cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money.
So I'm going to be unboxing this, and as well I'm going to be showing you guys how to set it. I'm going to be taking you guys through all the process. Stay tuned, stick around, and stay with me as we do this together.
There is no mercy for money.
Hi besties, hi love, hi loves, hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case this is the first time you are coming across this channel, thank you very much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, my name is Promoted Sandra, and here on this channel I do everything related to fashion, beauty, vlog, personal development, finance, and also give tips and tricks on how to start and grow up a YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this, as you already saw the thumbnail. I'm really so excited because I've been wanting to get this for the very longest time. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that based here in Benin City. I don't know if some of you are familiar with Ring Road. So I went to Ring Road to purchase a new light, and when I got there I saw where you can get if you are looking for anything regarding filming setup, equipment and all that. If you cannot get it online or you want it urgent, you can go to that place in Ring Road. Though I don't really know the name of the place, but if you want the contact of the person, I can leave it at the description section, so you can contact the person and go patronize them. And guess what, this is really so cheap. I got this for 7,000 naira. I don't know if it's because I purchased other stuff from him. So this gimbal is a handheld stabilizer, most especially if you want to go into vlogging and all that. And you can also get this to film your video. Because I wanted to get this online, I was just like, let me just price in case of the KCT. I can come back if it's good for me, I can come back. But when it said 7K, I was like, and he said this is the only one remaining, and I was like, this is the only one remaining. One thing I'm scared of is I just hope at the end of the day I don't find anything wrong with this. I hope it's good. This is that they are selling it 7K. I just hope it's good. Let us unbox this together. This is how it looks like. This is how it's packed. Okay, this is it. And here is a manual on how to set it up. And this is how it came. It was covered with this. This is how it looks. So I'm just going to be removing this right now. I don't know if this is the old version of it, that's why it's very cheap, because we now have different versions in different type, and we will have the one that have a screen touch. Okay, so I don't know if that is why it's cheap, but in as far as is doing the work I want it to do, I don't have issues. Okay, whether latest or old. It also has this little tripod stand in case maybe you want to use it as a tripod, you are going out, you want to, this is the little stand on it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to put this, and this is a charger to charge it because it's something that you need to charge. So first of all, this is how it looks like. I've not used it before. I don't know if it can stand on its own. This can actually stand on its own. Let me show you guys on the table. Let me see if I can turn the camera. Can you see? This is it standing without this. Okay, this is just it standing. Okay, that means it can stand on its own. So this is how the gimbal look. Okay, it's rotates. Can you see? It can rotate like this. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you right away how to set this, so stay tuned. So right now I'm going to be using my Android for this. This is how it's going to look like, right? This place is going to be like this. So once it's standing like this, what you are going to do is to go ahead and insert your phone. Okay, this is my Android phone, so I'm just going to go ahead and insert it on it. So to do that, you place this like this, one side like this, then you use it to push it like this and stretch it out and put this other side like this. Can you see? Just like the same way you fix your phone on your tripod. Now if you notice, you're going to see something here, like there's a space here. So what I'm going to do is to push your phone and make sure it fits inside. Right now it's inside. So we are just going to see, this is how it look like. Right now we are not going to be filming like this now. As you can see, it's still moving, right? It's still moving, and there's no way we can film like this. So what we need to do is to make sure we film like this, like if you are filming for YouTube, because if you leave it now, you're going to see it's going to fall like this. So for it to be stable like this, you're going to put it on your table. you're going to put it on something. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for something and put this. You're going to use your hand and hold it like this. So there's this thing that is here, this place, this particular thing. So you're just going to go ahead and loosen it up. Before you lose it up, make sure you flip it like this. It's standing like this. I'm just going to go ahead. I want you guys to be seeing what I'm doing. Okay, let me see if I can flip it like this. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up. So go ahead and loosen it like this, just like I can see me doing. Once you lose it, then shift it out. So this is it. Shift it out like this. Just make sure you shift it until it's balanced. So right now, as you can see, it's kind of a little bit balanced. So right now it's balanced because this is the last part of it. It's not, so there's no any other space to shift it. Okay, so it's balanced this way. What I'm going to do now is to lock it back. Just tighten it up. So you're just going to go ahead and tighten it up. So now that is stable, you're just going to go ahead and on it. So before you do that, make sure you turn your phone. It should be facing you. Even if you don't hold it, just leave it. This is the on button, this particular button up here. So you go ahead and on it. Press it. Wait, I want to off it. I want you guys to observe something. Now it's off, right? So I'm going to go ahead and press it for like 3 seconds. Just press it for like 3 seconds. Did you observe what happened? Immediately you press it, it's going to connect by itself and just rotate. This is so lovely. Oh my god. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my camera. So I've gone ahead to click my camera. This is it. And you can just click on video. So you can start the recording, right? This is it. So now to control this, you see this round button over here is for the control. Okay, so now that is on, you go ahead and press this. If you want it to move to this other side, you press this button, press it to this side. Can you see it? It's moving. It's going to rotate. It will just be rotating on its own. Then if you want it to move to this other side, press it to this side. Can you see? It's rotating. Oh my god, this is so nice. I really love this. Just imagine doing vlog, and if you want it to move up, it's still the same button. The thing is round. You just use it to be controlling it. You press it up like this. Can you see? It will just turn. Can you see? It just turned right now. And if you want it to come back, you press it down like this. Do you know when people go out for vlogs and you are seeing video that is going smoothly, there's nothing like wave, it doesn't shake, stuff like that? So with this you can control and have it just like this. So beautiful. See this? Can you see? Oh, can you see that? Before you remove it from your phone, make sure you go ahead, come back to this place where you on it before, go ahead and off it. Once you off it, see, can you see? I bought a lot of things on AliExpress and some in the market, so I'm going to be unboxing a lot of things right now. That is going to be my next video. And if you want to have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you end up enjoying this video, subscribe, turn on post notification. Don't forget to also share with your friends and recommend this to your friend as well. So I'm going to be leaving link from on AliExpress in case you can't get this around you, you want to order it online, you can go ahead and order it online. It's kind of a little bit expensive online, but the one you're going to be getting online might be the updated or upgraded version of this, because they have different versions. But if I can get this on AliExpress for the cheaper price, I will leave the link. We come to the end of today's video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.